Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad in an instant pot. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 pounds of small potatoes, such as Yukon Gold or red potatoes. For the creamy dressing, have 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of mustard ready. Don't forget 2 celery stalks, 1/2 cup of red onion, and 2 hard-boiled eggs. Finally, grab some salt, black pepper, and fresh dill for perfect seasoning. Now let's cook those potatoes to perfection. Begin by thoroughly washing and quartering your 2 pounds of small potatoes. This ensures even cooking. Pour 1 cup of water into your Instant Pot's inner pot. Next, place a trivet inside and carefully arrange the potato pieces on top. Secure the lid, set the vent to ceiling, and cook on high pressure for just 4 minutes. Once done, perform a quick release of the pressure. While the potatoes cool, let's create our delicious, creamy dressing. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of your favorite mustard. To add a delightful tang, stir in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Season the mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the dressing is perfectly smooth and all ingredients are well combined. Finally, it's time to bring all the delicious components together. Gently fold the cooled, cooked potatoes into your creamy dressing, ensuring every piece is coated. Next, incorporate the chopped celery, red onion, and hard-boiled eggs, mixing them in evenly. For a beautiful finish, garnish with fresh dill and a sprinkle of paprika if you like. For the best flavor, chill your potato salad for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.